The most important concept to emphasize when teaching basic counting is that the chips are concrete representations of the numbers on the wonder number board. After you show your kids how it works, it's a good idea to have them count and place chips on the board themselves to reinforce the concept.
We're going to do basic counting on the wonder number board. The first basic counting we're going to do is counting by ones. We're going to take some red chips. I'm going to cover the numbers from 1 to 10. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have covered the numbers from 1 to 10 on the wonder number board using a chip for each square. We could cover the same numbers from 1 to 100 using all the 100 chips, but right now we're going to go to the second counting number, which is counting by twos. Now when we count by twos, we're going to skip count. We're going to start with 2, and we're going to go to 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. The next row will be 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. If we skip count all the way to 100 using the twos, we'll cover all the rows of 2 that have blue 2s. This is very important because the rows of 2 are all the even numbers on the board from 1 to 100. The rows that do not have blue 2s on them are considered the odd rows. So we have a difference there between odd and even. Now I'm going to take the chips off. I'm going to go to the next counting number, which is the multiples of 5. We're going to take another color. We'll use the green ones, and we'll count by 5s. We're going to count 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, and 95, 100. We'll cover all the multiples of 5 from 5 to 100. We see it just covers 2 rows on the number board. Now I'm going to take those chips off, and we're going to do the last bit of counting, which is counting by tens. We're going to take the numbers off, and now we're going to count by tens. We count by tens, we're going to just put numbers on the board from 10 to 100. Now let's start with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and the last one is 100. Now we have sets of 10 from 10 to 100 on the wonder number board. This is our basic counting using 1s, 2s, 5s, and 10s.